How to deactivate an Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the option Account Center. Click on this option Personal Details. Now click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Now you're gonna get two options, delete account or deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Deleting account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you would just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. As you want to deactivate your Instagram account, check in for the option of deactivate account and click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your Instagram account's password and click on continue. Select the reason why you want to deactivate your account and click on continue. Click on deactivate account and just with that your account will be deactivated. So this way you are able to deactivate an Instagram account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.